Hello folks, this is Aitan Acha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the InFocus M812 smartphone here with us for an initial hands-on, initial impressions and review of this device. The InFocus M812 has a 5.5-inch display with 1920x1080p Full HD display. The overall build quality of the phone feels really great in hand. The volume rocker is different and is on the side, left-hand side. The two different buttons. The overall build quality is somewhat reminiscent of HTC phones, but still feels really premium in hand. There is the separate two SIM slots, dual SIM slots on the right hand side, and you can easily hot swappable SIMs, so it's really good. And apart from all of this, as is visible in the video, we have the speaker grill on the bottom side, so it feels really great enough. And the back camera, as is visible over here, it's a 4G smartphone, InFocus branding on the back, and dual tone true tone flash, LED flash, and the back camera on the behind. The phone comes with a 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor, which is yesteryear's the flagship chipset, and is present on the smartphone now. And it comes with 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal memory, expandable memory up to 64 GB with micro SD card, and the front camera is 8 megapixels. And let us just show you more about the smartphone's innards. So going inside. So all of the overall display and build of the phone feels really great enough, and it comes with Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. So it's one of the first InFocus phones to come with Android Lollipop out of the box. And let us just move forward and tell you more about this. The smartphone weighs only 120 grams, so it is not that heavy in hand, and it is okay enough. It supports 4G LTE as well as 3G, and both the SIMs do not support 4G LTE, and it has a 2900 mAh non-removable battery. And the overall display and overall UI feels good enough because of the fact that Lollipop has been implemented, so the speed has improved considerably. Let us just test a game over here. We have Minion Rush, the game installed on it, so we will just test how well it performs. So the game has begun, and we are just waiting for this. And apart from all of this, the in-life UI feels great, which is the InFocus UI. And so the game has begun. There's almost no lag whatsoever, as is visible right now. It comes with a Snapdragon 801. You can't expect lag on the smartphone. So let us just see. Okay enough. Gaming performance is okay enough, and till now it was okay enough. So let us just show you a few more things about the smartphone. And overall, the implementation of Android has been done really well by InFocus guys. And the back camera is a 13 megapixel camera with true tone LED flash, as we already told you. Let us just show you a demo picture. So let us just click one picture over here. And this video has been given to us courtesy Ashwini Kumar Singh of iokit.com, as we were unavailable to cover the whole event. And let us just see how the picture quality comes out. So these are the pictures taken from the back camera of the smartphone. So the overall detail is visible over there. So that hand over there, it is somewhat shaking, but still okay enough. The mountains in the background are visible enough. The hands of other people are also visible in good detail. So all in all, the phone is great, and it has been made nicely enough. InFocus M812 smartphone retails for a price of 19,999 rupees, which is 20,000 rupees, and it will go on sale starting from September. These are all the quick toggles available in the notification shade. Even the notification shade has been somewhat modified a bit by the InFocus guys for the in-life UI, and it feels okay enough. You can actually rearrange and drag and drop everything in that. So it has the custom implementation is good enough. And who should buy this smartphone? This smartphone is for people who are ready to trust the InFocus brand and who want a good camera smartphone, good everything within a reasonable budget. 20,000 rupees is a reasonable budget, but if you are looking for something else, there are also other great smartphones in the 20,000 rupees range. So this is Aitan Acha from InspiredToRise.com signing off, folks, with the InFocus M812. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep visiting InspiredToRise.com, folks. Stay inspired to rise.